the students want to understand that how do we choose our optionals for UPSC? What are the ways in which one can decide an option?
First,
Because
I feel that
yeah, please
first I
continue.
optional should be based on personal interest, as people famously say that it's like your spouse. So you have to stay for a long time with optional for in your preparation at least. Second, yes, market available, like what is the data or resources available in the market. And third, yes, recent marking trends. Like if you see that particular option is not faring well in the UPSC, then yes, you can take a guess mark. It's not a perfect evidence, because in UPSC all options are scoring or no option is scoring like that. So I think personal interest, because if you don't like history, just history is scoring, that's why you are taking history, I think it will be very counterproductive for your preparation. And just remember, in UPSC 50% time is devoted for your optional preparation. That it will shows the importance of choosing optional wisely. Otherwise it preparation will be boring. Even today I'm surviving in UPSC for the reason that I like what I do. So optional should be like that. Once you take that book, you want to explore the different facet of a particular concept, you want to go in depth about it, then that is a particular good option. Then it will definitely become scoring once you are interested into it, right? I think that should be the main. It's not a diplomatic answer. This is a very genuine answer, that you should go for your interest wala option, then definitely market uh, trends and all that.
True, very true, Nivruti. I would totally agree to this. Nivruti, there are a couple of students who want to understand that how to develop a strategy for mains answer writing.
Uh, the one good strategy for the mains answer writing, you take previous year UPSC questions and try to, like, once you're reading modern India, there will be like 40-50 previous year questions about modern India. So we need to align our preparation with the demand of examination. It's like in economics, supply demand equation is there. Like UPSC is asking particular thing, we should prepare in that direction. Otherwise UPSC is never asking about any history before 1857. Why we are devoting too much time on that, unless and until you are having history optional? So you should be smart enough that in which area you should be focusing upon. Like UPSC all the time ask on Gandhian era, or when it comes to Indian society part in GS1, they all the time ask about one question about globalization, second question about women's movement. Then you should have a very nice answer for all these things. Yes, definitely, as current thing affairs are going on, you can add certain new things, but there should be a certain fixed template. Like globalization comes, there has to be definition for globalization, then social effect, then economic, political, cultural. There are certain key terms, and that you will get in NCERT itself. NCERT or any standard resource. So focus on that and just take previous year paper and start writing one question a day. Then gradually rise to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can go for full length test also. But definitely, slowly, you have to go for answer writing. It should become a culture of your preparation. Answer writing should become
Absolutely.
a culture. I think that is a sure shot recipe to clear the exam.
Absolutely. And consistency, as you rightly said, is the key culture. Make it a culture of your routine. Because don't think कि नहीं मैं सब्जेक्ट अच्छा कर लेता हूँ आंसर राइटिंग तो हो जाएगी. आंसर राइटिंग होती
Perfection.
कभी नहीं है.
Perfection is a myth.
You will never be able to do answer writing until unless you've been consistent with that. क्योंकि हाथ ही नहीं चलेगा जब तक आपने you've not actually
So
done it
true.
over a period of time. Over a period of time,
अभी तो एग्जाम का टाइम चेंज हो गया. Otherwise in Delhi when there was winter, I think when I was writing in 15 or 16, it was too much tough to write. प्रैक्टिस कितनी भी
yes.
करके आओ, एक्चुअली क्लाइमेट भी ऐसा था, फिर भी यू राइट. दैट शोज द reflexivity or huge level of adaptation we are having, because once you are motivated you can survive in any kind of environment, any kind of stress. Then so try to get habituated to that now itself.